Welcome back to the Round Robin Show where we talk about everything in the ecosystem of football, and today we are talking about Indian football. Specifically, हम बात करेंगे Kerala Blasters की because they have made a move. Whether this is panic or a masterstroke, we'll have to find out. But David Katala is out, and our man Ashley Westwood is back into Indian football. Is this a rebuild or maybe just a step backwards? We'll have to find out. But let's face the reality first. David Katala, while in charge of 9 games, has 6 losses in the ISL, which means no wins to show for it. But when you're in charge of such a massive club with such a big following, pressure builds. And pressure builds fast. So the management had 2 choices. Back the process or hit the panic button. They hit the panic button. Yes, Ashley Westwood is a respected name in Indian football. He built Bengaluru FC to be one of the most successful clubs of that time. 2 I-Leagues, a Federation Cup. But I want to remind you, this was a decade ago. Since then to now, he's been in charge of Afghanistan, where had a short stint. He conceded 14 goals, only beat India with the team. Then he was in charge with Hong Kong, where he did not meet the targets and he left that job as well. पंजाब एफसी में भी थे, छोटा स्टिंट, वहाँ से भी चले गए. ATK के केयरटेकर मैनेजर बने थे. तो ISL में तो एशली वेस्टवुड के नाम भी कोई जीत नहीं है फिलहाल. So let's ask an uncomfortable question. Are Kerala Blasters hiring a proven manager or a manager whose best days are behind him? I personally feel that Ashley Westwood can change this squad around. But when we speak about squad, let's come to the current squad. This team in the past 6 games has seen 5 different defensive pairings in the ISL. For me, that also speaks about confusion within the squad because in 6 games, David should have known his best squad by now. तो अभी तक उनको वो स्क्वाड नहीं मिली. अगर हम मिडफील्ड की बात करें, I still feel that the midfield in Kerala Blasters does not have control. Leaders की बात करते हैं. Your captain's armband is with Danish. I think he's one of the most hardworking players in the league. But लीडर एक नहीं, लीडर 11 लगते हैं. एंड आई स्पीक अबाउट द इंटरनेशनल्स एज वेल. जे कुटोंगो जैसे खिलाड़ी, इनकंसिस्टेंट गेम टाइम. केविन यॉर्क, मे बी वन प्लेयर हु इज ट्राइंग टू चेंज द गेम, बट इट्स नॉट इनफ. सो देयर हैज टू बी अ मैसिव रीहॉल. क्या एशली वेस्टवुड ये कर पाएंगे? नाउ लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट्स गोइंग टू हैपन. फर्स्ट, वो डिफेंस टाइट करना चाहेंगे. द स्पेसेस बिटवीन द लाइंस वो ब्लॉक करेंगे. Secondly, he's going to simplify the system. आपको फैंसी फुटबॉल नहीं देखने को मिलेगा, आपको मिलेगा डायरेक्ट फिजिकल फुटबॉल. Thirdly, वो चाहेंगे अपनी टीम से डिसिप्लिन. ये 3 क्वालिटीज मैंने उनके अंडर भी ट्रेनिंग की है, तो मैं जानता हूँ. He will want his hardest working 11 on the pitch, his fittest working 11 on the pitch. But here's the issue. This might fix the problem. But will it win you trophies or will it win Kerala Blasters trophies? I don't think so. That's a completely different conversation. And does he have time for that? मेरे को नहीं लगता. 6 गेम हो चुकी है. ये सीजन पिछले सीजन से छोटा सीजन है, तो समय लगेगा जो फिलहाल एशली वेस्टवुड के पास नहीं है. So for me, I think at this very moment it is about damage control, जो कि एशली वेस्टवुड चाहेंगे कि पहले डिफेंसिव टाइटनेस से आए, नो फैंसी फुटबॉल, डूइंग द सिंपल थिंग्स राइट, एंड ऑल्सो डिसिप्लिन. इस टीम में वो डिसिप्लिन लाना चाहेंगे. फिर उसके बाद एशली वेस्टवुड एक बिलीफ लेके आना चाहेंगे अपने सिस्टम के बारे में. द बॉयज विल हैव टू बिलीव इन द प्रोसेस. द क्लब हैज टू बिलीव इन द प्रोसेस. गिवन टाइम, एशली वेस्टवुड कैन टर्न द टाइड अराउंड फॉर केरला ब्लास्टर्स. बट he will want his own players to come in. He will want the team to buy into his belief in his system, and he will want a very fit Kerala Blasters. That will require time. So we'll have to see, does he get that time at Kerala Blasters from the management, from the fans? So here's the controversial part. I feel this signing could be a step backward because football in the ISL from the time which was a decade ago where Ashley Westwood won a title has evolved. Modern football has evolved. Mumbai City, Mohun Bagan, a prime example of that. Physically, tactically, financially, all these teams are improving. Kerala Blasters and Ashley Westwood will have to pull up really quick with the pace of modern football. So instead of going with the bold choice, they've gone for a safe name. We'll have to see whether this is a master stroke or just a hit and miss. So if this doesn't work, this won't be another failed season. This will be a missed opportunity for Kerala Blasters in football that's evolving really fast. So here's the verdict. Ashley Westwood will bring the stability. He might even make it a team that's hard to beat. Turning Kerala Blasters into a champions team, well, that's a mountain that he will have to climb if he wants to be at the summit of it. So let me know what you think. Is this the right appointment or another gamble that might just fail? Because to me, this feels less like a rebuild and going back into the past, hoping it still works. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the channel for more such views.